All right, this is number 5 on lesson 13.1, and it does say to write a piecewise function if you're looking at the workbook. So let's talk about what this means. A piecewise function just means two or more functions, and you can see that it's already set up to put the two functions here. Because it has the domain as 0 to 2, you know that the first function is going to come from these first three ordered pairs, and your second function is going to come from 3 to greater than or equal to 9. So you're going to use this next set of points to create this function. So the easiest way to do that, if you remember, you can go back to the other videos and watch, take the points, put them in your list in your calculator, and then do a regression on it. So since you're working on exponential functions, I'm pretty sure this will be an exponential regression, but you're going to have to do it twice, once for the first 3 points for your first function, and then you'll have to do it again for the second function. So these first 3 points here will be the first function, and after the red line there, that will create your second function. Once you have your two functions, it says the expected population after 14 years is f of 14 is about what? So since this second equation here says, once you find the equation, it's going to say t is less than or equal to 9. So you can take this equation, substitute 14 in, and then solve, and that would give you your answer for here. All right, I hope this helps. If you have other questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to help.